Wonderful morning, dear kids. How are you all? Hope you are all fit and fine. Yes, today we are going to learn EVS subject. Yes, in EVS we will learn about my clothes. First of all, we will see which wearings girls are wearing. Okay, come along with me. Yes, dear kids, who is she? She is a girl. She is wearing a beautiful frock. Look at her. She is a girl. She is wearing beautiful frock. Okay. Yes, dear kids, look at him. Who is he? He is a boy. Rohit is wearing t-shirt and shorts. T-shirt and shorts. Okay. Oh yes, look at him. What he is wearing? He is wearing t-shirt and jeans. What he is wearing? T-shirt and jeans. Oh yes, look at these girls. They are wearing lehenga choli. Okay. Which type of dress is this, beta? Lehenga and choli. Okay. Yes, dear kids, I think you had enjoyed types of wearings. Yes, now look at these pictures. My clothes for girls. Girls, which type of dresses are wearing? So let's see. This is frock, skirt, lehenga choli. Yes. Then salwar kurta. This is salwar kurta. Now capri. This is top. Then t-shirt. This is trousers. And this is shirt. Yes, beta. All these types of dresses girls wearings. Okay. Now we will see clothes are for boys. Yes. All these are clothes for girls. Okay. Now we will see the clothes for boys. That are shirt, then trouser. Okay. Then this is t-shirt. This is shorts, coat. Then kurta pajama, waist, capri, then jeans. All these wearings clothes for boys. Okay. Now take out page number, dear kids, page number 3636. I think you had understood the wearings of girls and boys. Now take out page number 3636. We will write the name of the clothes. Okay. Yes, dear kids, take out page number 3636. What you have to do is write the name of these clothes. We had seen types of clothes, girls and boys. So you have to identify the picture and write the name below. Which picture is this? This is shirt. S. So you have to write the spelling S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. Now which type of clothes is this? This is frock. F-R-O-C-K. Frock. This is S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. F-R-O-C-K. Frock. Okay. Now this is S-K-I-R-T. Skirt. What is this, beta? This is short. S-H-O-R-T-S. Shorts. Yes. What is this? This is waist. V-E-S-T. Waist. You have to write under Write the spellings. Okay. Now what is this? This is T-O-P, top. Like this way you have to complete page number 3636. Now we will read S-H-I-R-T, shirt. Then F-R-O-C-K, frog. S-K-I-R-T, skirt. S-H-O-R-T-S, shorts. V-E-S-T, waist. T-O-P, top. Okay. Now take out 3737. What you have to do is write the name of your favorite dress. You have to write your name of the favorite dress here. You have to name the dress. Okay, favorite dress. Now draw and color its picture. Your favorite dress you have to draw here. Okay, you have to draw your favorite. Draw and color its picture. Favorite dress. You have to draw and color it here, beta. Yes, this is your homework. I think you had understood this topic very well. My clothes. Okay. After completing this homework, just send it to me, beta. Till then, bye bye. Take care. See you.